Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to show you guys a 10-minute, super easy, super inexpensive lash routine. As a mom, I don't have time to be messing around, doing my makeup, doing this whole like full-blown makeup tutorial thing. I just have like 10 minutes, sometimes 20 if I'm going all out to do my makeup. And today I just did my eyes, with just a little bit of color in the crease, and I filmed it so that you guys can see. Sometimes it even only takes me 5 minutes to do. And I think that you guys will really be able to do it. Even if you've never done lashes before, don't be intimidated by doing them. They can be really fun and simple. I personally don't go and get lash extensions. I can do my own lash extensions. But today in the video, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply regular strip lashes with just glue you can find at Target, CVS, Walgreens, Ulta, and all of these things can be either ordered on Amazon or picked up curbside. So I try to keep it as simple and as inexpensive as possible. And I do think that you guys will end up liking it and trying it yourselves because it's just so fun to add to your makeup routine or just try for a night out. All right, everybody, so as you can tell, I've already done my makeup and some of my mascara. I don't put too much mascara on when I'm doing lashes. I grab my Duo glue. This is the only glue I will use on my eyes because I know it's safe. And I prefer the dark tone. So one of the things you can do to have success in this is squeezing the glue out ahead of time. Sorry about the lighting there. And letting it sit and get tacky for a good minute before you apply the lashes. These are the lashes I like to use. They are by Ardell. And I like to either cut them as individuals or place them as a strip. And today I'm going to place them as a strip. I will grab a makeup brush. Sorry about my self-tanner, you guys. It's a tragedy, really. I'm not sure what went wrong. And I also grab a pair of scissors. These are by MAC Cosmetics if you are looking for a pair. They work really well. I've had them for years. Then I measure them to make sure they fit the width of my eye. I don't have to trim these ones. I get my makeup brush ready, I dip it into the glue, and I line the fake lash with just a little bit of glue. Not too much, don't get carried away, just line it and make sure it's not touching the actual lashes. Make sure you get the edges, and then you're gonna place it in the center of your eye. Now I know people do this differently. I hold my eye just a real little bit, not too tight. I place it in the center and I press from the outside towards the inner eye. Don't fuss with your eye too much because then it gets sticky and then it gets all messed up and you'll get frustrated. And if you do mess up, just peel it off and start all over again. Give your eye a little break and start over. Then I pinch my natural lash to the fake lash, and there you have it. I like to start on my left side too because I'm left-handed. Man, that spray tan is awful. Okay, so then I go in and I grab another pair or the other side. And I noticed on this one that there was a little piece of plastic sticking out, and these are where the scissors come in handy because you don't want anything poking you. Your lashes shouldn't stick. They shouldn't feel like you barely notice them. I take my brush again, I line the lash, make sure there's just enough on there, and you'll actually see that I placed this one too far out towards the outer eye, and I moved it over just a little bit, but starting in the center, pressing it on the outside and then towards the inner. I also don't like to put it too close to my tear duct because my eyes water very easily and I want these to stay on all day, which they will. And actually I could probably get them to stay on 2 days if I'm being honest. Then I'm pinching the natural lash with the fake lash. This is key, guys, because this is what makes them stay on is when they're not only on the eyelid, but they are slightly adhered to the lash line with the natural lashes. And there you have it. That's as good as it gets for just putting them on in about 3 to 5 minutes. Now you can blend them a little bit. So I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer in my crease just to give my eye a little bit of depth. Of course, this is a natural look. Again, I just have foundation on my lid with a little bit of bronzer in my crease. Super simple and quick. Now that I feel like that looks good, I'm going to go in with a little bit of eyeliner to blend the inner corners of my lash band. I'm going to take a felt tip liner. I prefer felt tip liners. This is Waterproof by Mary Kay. And I do like this liner. It works really well. And I like the felt tip because I feel like the marker sort of helps the fake lash blend a little bit better. Like the color of it, it makes it blacker, if that makes sense. You could also, if you wanted to, put eyeliner on the lash ahead of time so you can't see the band at all. I really don't feel like the band is that noticeable. Then I flip my pen to get the inner corner on the opposite eye. And I make sure I'm blending in the lash band. And I'm just going to do a little wing here, not much. And again, holding my eye nice and straight, but not pulling on it. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This is like, I'm not kidding, when I timed this out, it was literally 3 minutes. Again, you could take your eyeliner and you could color over ahead of time. And if you really wanted dramatic lashes or to blend in the false lashes to your real lashes, add just a little bit of mascara to them. It gives a little bit more volume, a little bit more depth, and again, it helps them be just a little darker. Don't forget that lashes are reusable, so if you need to take them off at the end of the night, place a lightly dampened warm washcloth over them, peel them off, put them back in your tray, and reuse them again the next time. If this was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye!